Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5. If it is the end of a wave 5, then it will take out the low of wave 4. But this is the monthly, and that could potentially take a very, very long time to play out. And there's also the possibility that we are actually just in a crescent to these last 5 waves up, and it ends up making 3 waves down and pulsive up like that and continues the uptrend. Either way, for now, I definitely think that the trend is down, probably ending a wave 5. So going down to the weekly time frame, definitely I think this first push down is either a wave A or a wave 1. I don't really care to know whether it's a wave A or wave 1 because the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario, which is looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, definitely all one downtrend. I still think this is all one trend because this move up right here never did break the high. I think there's actually a better chance that this is going to keep on going down like that, and this is all just one trend, which this one trend is either a wave A or a wave 1, like I was explaining on the weekly. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a pretty decent little bounce right here. Now, if it goes up and breaks this high right here, then yeah, I would definitely start looking for longs. Otherwise, I would definitely still be looking for shorts. I'd be looking for a lower high. I'd be looking to go short, potentially for the continuation of this downtrend. I think we could be in a wave 5 on the daily time frame. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here, which I think is clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. So there is a chance that this move up is only a crescent to this move down. So if I see some sort of a three-way pattern up to a Fibonacci retracement level, then a nice engulfing move to the downside, then that is exactly what I would be looking for another short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, on the same hand, if it does go up and if it does break this high right here, break this 100% level, then that would definitely cause me to stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again on pullbacks. So as long as you pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, then you should be trading in the right direction. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.